Hi, my name is Tiana. Welcome to my presentation on plastic pollution, the global epidemic taking over the ocean surface and the environmental impact it has on cetaceans. Cetaceans are marine mammals such as whales, dolphins, and porpoises. Research that was collected came from a variety of sources like Google Scholar and the Curtin Library. By focusing the search on specific keywords and narrowing down to peer-reviewed articles, I was able to find a variety of useful sources. There was a lot of research in regards to plastic pollution. However, I found that research which related specifically to the impact plastic pollution has on the cetacean species was very limiting. Plastic is an ever-growing material manufactured for many uses, including single-use products such as straws, plates, cups, bottles, plastic bags, and fishing accessories. The global annual production and consumption of plastics has now reached over 320 million tons, with more plastic produced in the last decade than ever before. Gaia, Jambeck and Law wrote in 2015 approximately 6,300 million metric tons of plastic have been generated, where 9% was recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% was accumulated in landfills or the natural environment. Plastic pollution that enters the oceans form floating islands of plastic, like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is a floating island of plastic pollution that exists in the subtropical waters between Hawaii and California. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch covers an area of 1.6 million kilometers square. There are a total of 5 giant garbage patches in the world. This plastic is extremely harmful to our marine life, as many cetaceans have been harmed through entanglement or ingestion, which can lead to sickness or more often death. In 2009, Daniela Casarelli wrote a report that found between 1974 and 2008, 12 species of cetaceans were affected by plastic in Australian waters. And in 2014, Vulcan Perry documented that at least 462 cetaceans had been affected by ingesting plastic debris. Through my research, I have found that there are plans already in place to reduce the plastic pollution in the oceans. The Queensland Government have banned all single-use plastic bags as of July 1, 2018. A Dutch inventor, Boyan Slat, who founded the Ocean Cleanup in 2013, has, with the help of engineers, researchers and scientists and computational modelers, are creating a passive system intended to rid the ocean of plastic pollution, starting with the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This new piece of technology is estimated to remove 50% of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch within 5 years. This system will be deployed in 32 days. Through further research, I would like to know if the cetacean species numbers are declining. I would also like to look further into what contingency plans other countries have in place to reduce the amount of plastic pollution that is entering the oceans. What can we do? Say no to plastic straws, say no to plastic bags and use a recyclable, environmentally friendly bag, and say no to single-use water bottles. This issue links to the Australian curriculum, specifically Year Level 1, under Science and Understanding. It relates to biological sciences that distinguish what happens when habitats change and how some living things can no longer have their needs met. Also, under Year Level 2, under Science Understanding, it relates to science as a human endeavour, which explores ways humans manage resources and their water supplies. The key concepts for sustainability are worldviews are formed by experiences at personal, local, national and global levels and are linked to individual community actions for sustainability. It also links to sustainable future results from actions designed to preserve and/or restore quality and uniqueness of environments.